Hello, welcome back. In For saving data, we can use of this method. In Before lecture, we create new form and we can get data. And in this lecture, I want to save data. For saving data, use request method, and use one way is use the post new use of module, new article. Okay, close this, and we say that new article and dollar post title request title, and copy and slug, use slug, and use body, and finish, say dollar post, use method save. Okay, and finish. If I refresh this, I see error, resend data, and see error. View count does not default value. I say that view count defaultly 0. Refresh and see empty page. And if refresh article and see all, I see created new title, slug, and this. I open article. We can create a new data in database. Other way for create, we can use models. Use of article, create, use this. Okay, use this title, use request title, and copy this, slug, body, and close this, and view count and 0. Okay, if back and refresh, new post, slug, and this. Okay, submit. If you submit, error label. Okay, for create and access the use article method, open article and use label, dollar label, use product label, and method title, use a database name in here, and slug, and body and view count. Okay, close this, refresh, it is work, refresh, and down 62, slug new post. After save instead empty page, we can use redirect in this return redirect in admin this page, close, if back, and new post to submit and redirect this page, and if refresh, created new post to